How to be an interesting person, in short. Being interesting is subjective and can depend on the context and the people you are interacting with. Here are a few suggestions that may help you be seen as interesting by others. Develop a unique perspective or hobby. Having a unique perspective or hobby can make you more interesting because it allows you to bring something new and different to conversations. Be open-minded and curious. Showing an open-minded and curious approach to new ideas and experiences can make you more interesting because it demonstrates a willingness to learn and explore. Be confident and engaged in conversation. Confidence and engagement in conversation can make you more interesting because it shows that you are interested in the topic and willing to participate in the conversation. Have a sense of humor. A good sense of humor can make you more interesting because it can make interactions more enjoyable and lighthearted. Be genuine and authentic. Being genuine and authentic in your interactions can make you more interesting because it allows others to see the real you and can help build trust and connection. Remember, being interesting is not about trying to impress or show off. It's about being true to yourself and engaging with others in meaningful and authentic ways. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to this channel.